Currently, the chemistry of the ocean is changing due to the impact of atmospheric chemicals, such as carbon compounds, sulfur, and nitrogen. This phenomenon is known as ocean acidification. Over the course of the past 200 years, research has indicated that anthropogenic atmospheric carbon dioxide levels have rapidly increased, with approximately one-third of this carbon dioxide taken up by the ocean. The concentration of atmospheric carbon dioxide is estimated to be rising at a rate of 0.5% a year. This rate is worrying, being that it is estimated to be 100 times faster than any period over the past 650,000 years. The Great Barrier Reef is a unique case study when studying the effects of ocean acidification, as the impact of extraneous variables is limited. This is due to the fact that the Great Barrier Reef is afforded the highest level of legal protection under the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park Act. Moreover, due to the expensiveness of the 2,300-kilometer stretching Great Barrier Reef, researchers would have the opportunity to investigate the impact of ocean acidification on a wide array of marine flora and fauna. Ocean acidification leads to changes in the concentration of carbonate ions. In addition, pH levels are reduced and the ocean water becomes more acidic. Without carbonate ions, the growth of shells and the skeletons of marine organisms will be adversely impacted. Rising atmospheric carbon dioxide could limit some organisms' ability to make shells and dramatically reduce the skeletal growth of organisms such as coral. It is fundamental that we understand the biological impacts of ocean acidification on biogeochemical cycles and the prospering of marine species. For example, the potential effects on fish abundance and diversity could be detrimental. We know that smaller, calcifying marine organisms are essential sources of food for higher marine organisms. So, the impact of ocean acidification on the food web is potentially damaging. Ultimately, ocean acidification is a significant area of inquiry, as research indicates that ocean acidification powerfully influences biological change in our marine ecosystems. Ocean acidification is an international issue in need of immediate collaborative global response. Policies must be developed at both national and international levels, aiming to stabilize atmospheric carbon dioxide. Over 70% of the world's carbon dioxide emissions are produced from city areas. Therefore, cities around the world must establish means by which to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and reduce their carbon footprint. Methods of reducing individuals' carbon footprint include catching public transport and using less garden fertilizer. Coastal towns should be especially mindful of this, as nutrient runoff increases levels of nitrogen and carbon in seawater. Moreover, we must support initiatives and encourage local areas to monitor seawater chemistry. In addition, nations can adopt industry practices based on ocean conservation and support policies that protect the ocean. Together we can conserve our oceans.